Learn the correct method of how to prune a young mango tree or a mango seedling to grow it into a small and compact mango tree. The mango tree training builds the height, width and shape of the tree. At the end of the video, I will give you the important tips for topping mango tree to grow it into a compact tree giving more fruits. You may start pruning the mango seedling when the tree is growing. The most critical step is the first cut. When the mango seedling is 1 year old or less, 6 to 12 inch high, cut it in the middle. This severe pruning will restrict the trunk to a lower height, growing 2 to 4 primary limbs to create the framework of the tree. Continue for next 3 years pruning above a node of each of the branches when they grow to about 8 inch long. Always prune just above a node, from where new branches will emerge. Flowers and fruits will grow in next year on mature branches. After 5 years no severe pruning is needed. Remove only the dead branches. Remove any vertical branches going straight up as the horizontal branches produce more flowers and fruits. If any branch is not producing fruits, then prune it, but only 1 or 2 branches in 1 year. Do not prune during spring, which is the time to produce fruits. After harvest, prune only the fruit spikes on the node.